Union Street, Fifth Avenue, Hyde Park, Queen's Road, Broadway, Times Square,
Manchester Airport, Harvard University,
Victoria Station, Canterbury Cathedral, Edinburgh Castle, Buckingham Palace, Cambridge University, Sydney Harbour.
Buckingham Palace,
But
the Royal Palace, the Sheraton Hotel, the Holiday Inn,
the Palace Theatre, the Odeon,
the Guggenheim Museum, the National Gallery,
the Empire State, the White House, the Eiffel Tower,
the Sheraton, the Palace, the Guggenheim,
the Acropolis, the Kremlin, the Pentagon,
the Bank of England, the Museum of Modern Art, the Great Wall of China, the Tower of London.
the University of Cambridge,
But
Cambridge University,
McDonald's, Barclays, Joe's Diner, Macy's,
St John's Church, St Patrick's Cathedral,
the Washington Post, the Financial Times, the Sun,
the European Union, the BBC, the Red Cross,
Fiat, Sony, Singapore Airlines, Kodak, IBM, Yale University Press.